happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 16 of your class 7 English, that is a lovely birthday gift. So let's begin with this lesson. Hi Anu, how are you? greeted Juhi patting Anu's back. So hi Anu, जूही ने बोला hi Anu, how are you? तुम कैसी हो? जूही ने पैट करा अनु की बैक पे. Great, just a bit sleepy. मैं अच्छी हूँ, I'm great, but थोड़ी सी sleepy feel कर रही हूँ. The party went on till late night, but I tell you it was wonderful party. पार्टी पूरी लेट तक चली नाइट में, बट मैं बताती हूँ तो वो एकदम वंडरफुल पार्टी थी. एंड इट गोज विदाउट सेइंग वी ऑल मिस्ड यू इमेंसली. हम सब ने मिस करा था तुम्हें बहुत ज्यादा. अनु रिप्लाइड ही नाउ हे नाउ डोंट टीज मी. अब मुझे परेशान मत करो, मुझे चिढ़ाओ मत. Even I was eager to join you guys. मैं भी चाहती थी तुम्हें ज्वाइन करना. I missed the chance because my train was delayed. मैंने चांस मिस कर दिया क्योंकि मेरी ट्रेन डिले हो गई थी. Anyway, I'm really excited to know what all gifts you got. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा excited जानने के लिए तुम्हें क्या-क्या gifts मिले. Tell me fast. Juhi cried with enthusiasm. जुही ने बहुत excited होके बोला कि चलो जल्दी मुझे बताओ क्या-क्या gifts मिले. For that you have to come home, dear. But there is one thing that I am excited to tell you about. उसके लिए तुम्हें डियर घर आना पड़ेगा और एक चीज है जिसके लिए मैं सबसे ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ. इट्स द गिफ्ट दैट माय ब्रदर गेव मी. वो क्या गिफ्ट है वो जो मेरे ब्रदर ने दिया. कैन यू गेस व्हाट इट इज? सेड अनु. क्या तुम गेस कर सकते हो क्या होगा? अनु ने बोला व्हाट? टेल मी प्लीज सेड जूही. जूही ने बोला व्हाट? जल्दी बताओ मुझे, प्लीज बताओ. अनेबल टू कंटेन हर एक्साइटमेंट. वो अपनी एक्साइटमेंट रोक नहीं पाई. ओके देन क्लोज योर आईज सेड अनु. अनु ने बोला चलो अपनी आईज क्लोज करो. जूही As Juhi closed her eyes, Anu slowly took out something and thrust it in front of her. Anu ने कुछ चीज निकाली और उसके आगे रख दी. And before Juhi could open her eyes fully, Anu squealed with excitement. Anu squeal कर रही थी excitement में. She gave me the tablet, computer, and iPad 4. So उन्होंने क्या दिया मुझे? एक टैबलेट दिया, कंप्यूटर दिया, and iPad दिया, and iPad 4. That was I got, not even giving time to Juhi to react. Anu went on. I am so happy. Juhi को react करने का time नहीं दिया. Anu आगे बढ़ती गई बताने में. I am so happy. I am so thrilled. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा happy और thrilled हूँ. Finally, Juhi was able to coax with other words out. So finally, Juhi was able to coax with few words out of her mouth. Coax means persuade. मतलब वो कुछ बोल पाई, कुछ words. Someone gradually or gently to do something. So few words out of her mouth and she said, "Wow, that's amazingly cool." ये बहुत cool है, amazingly cool है ये. And you know my iPad was the main attraction of yesterday's party. और तुम्हें पता है मेरा iPad ही main attraction था कल की पार्टी का. Everyone just drooled over it. Drool means drop saliva uncontrollably. Here, look at the tablet computer with a lot of happiness and excitement. So we clicked pictures, make videos, listen to music. हमने pictures click करी, videos बनाई, music सुना, and not giving a chance to Anu to finish her sentence, Juhi asked, "But just tell me what's the use of this iPad when you already have a laptop?" चलो मतलब उसे चांस ही नहीं दिया अनु को कंटिन्यू करने का अपना सेंटेंस. जूही ने बीच में बोला चलो मुझे बताओ जब तुम पे लैपटॉप है तो तुम्हें आईपैड का क्या यूज है. Their classmate Hari commented, "Come on, Juhi, this iPad is a tablet computer." तो दूसरे क्लासमेट ने बोला हैरी ने, जूही come on, ये iPad एक आपका टैबलेट कंप्यूटर है. That is way better than any laptop. ये बहुत बेटर है लैपटॉप से ज्यादा. Harry, please tell me why do you feel so? asked Juhi. जूही ने बोला हैरी प्लीज मुझे बताओ ऐसा तुम्हें क्यों लगता है. At the outset, the main advantage of a tablet computer is at an extreme portability in a laptop. Its keypad and trackpad make it quite heavy and bulky. इसका keypad और trackpad जो होता है वो सब trackpad जो होता है बहुत ज़्यादा heavy कर देता है. Secondly, it has a touch interference. आपके tablet में touch interference होता है screen पे on the screen for all kinds of inputs. And how can you ignore its compact size? उसके तुम size को कैसे ignore कर सकती हो? It is so handy that you can carry it in your purse as it is very light. वो बहुत ज़्यादा handy है, तुम उसे अपने पर्स में भी कैरी कर सकते हो, बहुत ज़्यादा हल्का है वो. Any tablet computer should be less than 2 pounds. हर tablet और computer 2 pounds से कम होना चाहिए. Besides, its power requirements are unbelievably low, but with a bit you can achieve all day long uses without bothering for a charging point. तुम इसे full day use कर सकते हो चार्जिंग पॉइंट की बॉदर करे बिना. So don't you think that the tablet is much better option than a laptop or PC? तो तुम्हें नहीं लगता? क्या तुम नहीं सोचती कि टैबलेट एक much better option है कंप्यूटर और पीस लैपटॉप से? So ask Harry in a challenging tone. हैरी से पूछा, ऐसे हैरी ने पूछा था ये जूही से एक challenging tone में. But Juhi, I think that's too small a price to be paid for something which is with such amazing features, said Anu, who was simply listening to the conversation all this while. At this point, Samir entered and took complete charge of the situation. इस टाइम पे समीर एंटर आ गया उनकी बातों में, उसने सारा चार्ज ले लिया. He made Juhi sit down next to him and said, उसने जूही को बिठाया अपने आगे और बोला, wait Juhi, let me show you all the features of this tablet. चलो मैं तुम्हें सारे features दिखा दूँ इस tablet के. I'm sure that you too would be impressed and agree that it is definitely an amazing electronic device. तुम भी impressed हो जाओगे, तुम सोचोगे ये बहुत अच्छा electronic device है. This Anu and Harry also came close and all four of them huddled. इस टाइम पे अनु और हैरी भी आ गए और सबने एकदम चारों ने हडल कर लिया एक ग्रुप में. Samir said that iPad from Anu's hand. Samir took the iPad from Anu's hand. Samir ने iPad लिया अनु के hand से and switched it on to describe its features to Juhi. और switch on करा features describe करने के लिए Juhi को. See, you can easily browse the web from it. तुम easily browse कर सकती हो web इसमें से, fast and fully featured. You can simply log into the website. तुम log in कर सकती हो अपनी website पे, said Samir. To this, Anu proudly added, you can also check all your email accounts on it, whether it is Yahoo, Google, Hotmail, AOL or even iCloud. तुम सारे अपने Gmail accounts check कर सकती हो इस पे, mail account sorry. Juhi gave an appreciative glance in their direction and asked, what about my Facebook account? Can I access that too on this tablet? तो Juhi ने एक appreciative glance दिया उनकी बातों पे कि what about my Facebook? क्या इसमें मैं अपनी Facebook भी यूज कर सकती हूँ? Of course, Facebook and Twitter are both integrated with the tablet computer. Yes, तुम कर सकती हो. So it is much easier to directly upload your photographs. बहुत ज़्यादा easy होता है, तुम अपनी photographs भी easily upload कर सकते हो and web pages and share them with family and friends. You can browse the web and play games. तुम browse कर सकती हो web को, games खेल सकती हो like Angry Birds or Temple Run on your tablet. Harry added. So you can watch TV, movies and YouTube on your tablet. तुम टैबलेट पे अपनी मूवीज भी वॉच कर सकती हो और YouTube भी, TV भी. Samir continue excitedly. Tell me Juhi, which latest song do you keep humming? चलो Juhi मुझे बताओ तुम कौन सा latest song हम करती रहती हो, मतलब गाती रहती हो? Juhi answered, hey, I am not much into the latest hip hop number. मैं ज़्यादा latest hip hop number नहीं सुनती. I just love the Beatles. मेरे को तो Beatles पसंद है. At this, Anu took the iPad and from Harry's hand and started downloading the famous Beatles. इस टाइप पर अनु ने हैरी के हैंड से iPad ले लिया और डाउनलोड करना स्टार्ट करा Beatles को. Track Hey Jude at it. Track क्या था? Hey Jude at if to prove her statement. I'm starting to get impressed. This means that it's complete jukebox, said Juhi. Yes, dear. It's a great music player, said Anu. Anu ने बोला हाँ ये great music player है. And she plugged earphone into Juhi's ear और उन्होंने उससे earphones लगा दिए Juhi के ears में to make her listen to her favorite Beatles number. But Juhi did not get enough time to enjoy the music as Samir went on. Do you know a tablet computer can also be used a e-book reader? हम इसे e-book reader की तरह भी use कर सकते हैं. You can buy book on the internet and read it as per your convenience. तुम अपनी books buy कर सकती हो internet पे और अपनी convenience के according पढ़ सकती हो. So you guys mean that an iPad is as good as a laptop? तुमको क्या लगता है कि laptop की तरह अच्छा है? Asked Juhi, who was equally excited. वो भी excited हो गई Juhi भी. Yes, it is, except for its limited storage capacity and the fact that it is less efficient as far as computing tasks are concerned, said Harry. So, okay, but after listening to you all, I realized that basically the ease of use of features that makes it a hot favorite with most of people, said Juhi. इसकी जो ease of use है, मतलब easily use हो जाते हैं इसके features, ये इस लोगों के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा hot favorite हो चुका है आजकल. With this, Juhi along with Anu, Harry and Samir got involved in playing with Anu's iPad. Juhi Anu के साथ Harry और Samir भी Anu के iPad से खेलने लगे to learn more about its features. उसके features ज़्यादा जानने के लिए. Now let's solve the exercises of this lesson. Take the correct options. Who could not join the birthday party? Anu, Rima, Juhi. What gift did Anu get from her brother? An iPad, laptop, a mobile or monitor, an iPad. That has a touch interface on the screen, iPad. Which is a much better option, a tablet, a laptop, both of these. Complete the following sentence making the use of information that you have read in the lesson. In a laptop, so complete the following sentences making use of the information that you have read in the lesson. In a laptop, its keypad and trackpad make it quite heavy. Keypad and trackpad make it quite heavy. Any tablet computer weighs less. Facebook and Twitter are both integrated with iPad, so it's much easier to upload one photos and share web pages. A tablet computer is popular with people because of its hot features. Now answer the following questions. Why was Anu feeling sleepy? Because Anu was feeling sleepy because she celebrated her birthday late until late night. What was the cause of Anu's excitement? The iPad, the gift that she got from her brother, was the main cause of Anu's excitement. List at least 5 points given by Anu, Harry and Savi to prove to Juhi that a tablet computer is better than a laptop. It is less heavy. It does not have trackpad and keypad. So it has many. It is very popular because of its hot features and integrate both Facebook and Twitter are integrated in the both are integrated in the iPad. Now, what are the limitations of a tablet computer? Its memory. The memory is the limitation of the tablet computer. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.